You guys ready to go to the lake? Of course, Bendy. Absolutely right, sir.
Wait, I always wanted to do something.
Sure, I'll go.
I always wanted to do this.
But only to swim.
No, it's like this.
I want to study the marine life. What?
She's doing the
Yeah,
dance.
baby wants to swim.
She's doing the dance from Lady Rocks.
Are you gonna watch over the place?
Chicken.
All right. Come on, guys.
Fishy.
Let's go to the. Ow!
It makes sense for this guy to go to the lake.
I got my leg. Let's go to the lake. All right, guys. Let's go to the lake.
Bendy went. The door's locked. I know.
Yeah. Oh man, this is everything I ever wanted. Just chilling by the shore.
Mommy Pig, there's a squid.
Oh boy.
Mommy Pig, there's a squid.
Notice. That's a big squid.
I'm taking this.
No, boy. Oh my god.
More stuff.
Everything I ever wanted. What? I'm gonna collect cells. I'm gonna rename myself Sally, and I'm gonna sell cheese. Sell.
Mommy Pig, I'm gonna see how
I'm gonna sell seashells. I'm going to sell seashells by the seashore. Yeah. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Okay.
I'm gonna push you in if you say that one more time.
Sally sells seashells. Okay, let's see. Yep, everything's in order. Looks like it's actually nice outside.
And windy.
Yeah, it's pretty windy. Like there is a storm coming.
Ah!
Oh!
Bendy, let's get in the storm so cool.
Me too.
Dang it, Forrest, I don't want to revive you.
Oh wait, no, we're plushies.
Why do you keep doing that?
Hey guys, the other plushies were buried here. We never saw them again.
Guys, I heard this legend.
Bendy, I see it.
If this guy called the Mythic Explorer, he wandered places where very peculiar creature sightings were, but I don't really believe in that stuff. That stuff's like voodoo or something. But there is a way to summon him. And since I don't believe in him, I'm gonna go set that up. Okay, yeah. I got his initials right here. Mythic Explorer, or Mr. Egad. Alright. Now this chant. Ancient Sims, 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 Ancient. No, that's not it. Guys, let me stop you. I said we just go back to the hotel.
There's one more set.
What is it? I'm not doing that. I am not going, but I'm gonna hang out in this pit. Guys, am I the only one that thinks it's a good idea? selling a sandstorm. And Mythic Explorer. Was he a zombie?
Oh, he's a skinwalker.
He could look like him.
It's a skinwalker. Dun 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 dun.
Ooh, very scary.
Dun.
What happened to his eyes?
I don't know, Boris.
Legend tells
I think
it.
our guard blinded it.
Watch. Legend tells it. The skinwalker ripped out its eyes and turned it pure white.
Come on, let's just drive home. Wait, how are we even driving? This isn't the airplane.
You guys wanna fly away in the porta potty?
No, not gonna be Harry Potter. Well, wait, how are we even driving? Bendy, while we were having fun, I was making, Cuff had made a robot to build us a car that will last
So many
2 seconds.
demons.
Bigfoot restaurant, 4 out of 5 stars. Casa Taco, 4 out of 4.4 stars.
You wanna go eat or you wanna pick up food and go?
Alright, well, let's just hope this car lasts us, because this looks pretty unstable.
Casa Taco,
Oh my god, look at that boat. It's rushing back.
No, that's the waves. Yeah.
You guys like it here at least?
Yeah.
Everything's like
Come on, guys, let's just lay down and hope we make it alive.
Oh yeah, the legend says it will not go back to the demon room once you summon it.
You're sane. It's staying alive.
Yep.
Staying alive. Staying alive.
But
Yep. We're probably not gonna die.
the bodyguard blinded it. That's why it got lost in the sandstorm.
Okay, well, let's just drive and hope that we survive this. I want to go back. Yeah, me too. You guys are insane. You are absolutely insane. We can't go back there. Mythic Wanderer will kill us.
So?
Yeah, I don't see what the problem is. The problem is your voice changed because you were in fear. I'm just not gonna talk. Owie. See, now he's turning into a tad strange from Gravity Falls. But listen, we ordered food, so gotta wait for that. Once that person in the shower gets out, I'm gonna get in the shower. Man, I really need to get in the shower. I'm stinky. What? I'm gonna go in the shower. Yeah. Oh God. That was a hopeful. Very hopeful. Puppet knocked out. He's straight up KO. Oh man, being hard does weird things to your head, I tell you. Ugh, those weird stuff to your head, I tell you. Ugh. Ugh. Everyone else is asleep.
I'm okay.
Yep.
Bendy, it's dark outside. The only light we have is a lamp.
Isn't there a room over here?
Now we're in a room. And there's the Boar's voice actor.
My man looks sick. He's sneezing. He's sick. He's sick. He's mega sick.
Yeah, my squid. Hey, Bendy, come check where my squid lives.
Chicken wing, hot bag on roll it. What? Huh. Why'd you have to sleep on an air mattress?
I wonder if you. Oh, God, that made it burger.
Oh.
You glowing?
Wow, he actually glows. Thank you. Now I can actually see again. Oh, where's Boris?
It's a close quick.
Or,
Are you sick?
or is Boris just asleep?
What's wrong with the new landfill? Gotta put the garbage somewhere. If we put garbage somewhere,
Well,
toxic waste.
I'm gonna try to sleep.
Who likes fire engines?
Nothing else to do. Oh wait, there's a Nintendo Switch right here. Alright. Guess I'm going to sleep with this random spirit. Wait, aren't you the Dark Lord spirit? Ow. Okay, I get it. I'm gonna sleep now. I'll show you how to scratch it. Wait. The blanket doesn't reach me, so I'm up close. I don't need to reach the blanket. The blanket could reach me. Ah. Please don't tell me my sleeping partner is a sleep mover. Ah. Oh, alright. I'm gonna try to go to sleep. What? Is my eyes playing tricks on me or something? I see something.
Chicken.
Oh my god. Shut up. I'm trying to sleep here. Okay, seriously, what am I seeing right now? Whoa.
Chicken.
Am I so? No, I'm hallucinating, right? Yeah, I'm hallucinating. Nah, I'm hallucinating.
They're using that land to build.
There ain't nothing there but an abyss.
Looks like I'm gonna be out of a job soon.
That's an abyss. Like, I'm literally the same color.
That gray patch of land over there? It looks pretty useless.
I'm a
It'll be
face.
perfect.
That's the quarry.
Oh. Because I was hallucinating since I don't see anything orange here. Let me turn my flashlight on. Okay, let's see. Yep, it's me, no weird orange skinwalker people. Monsters.
Like me and Mr. McKay were a bunch of noodle-brained communists.
How? I'm just gonna go to bed.
No.
Oh my god. Well, I know that was a hallucination because I checked and there's nothing there.
Chicken.
Foxy, no, you're not getting chicken at this time of hour.
Fish.
No, we
Fish.
Dang it, Boris, you broke the fourth wall for the fifth time in this entire series.
Oh yeah, buddy, I'm just gonna. Hey, look, it's the Dark Lord. When did he get here?
No, I'm the bodyguard.
Remember, his spirit was freed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he's nice now.
Yeah, he's a good spirit. He's not physical, but he could touch people somehow. I don't know why.
I swear.
Oh, yeah. Foxy, I don't know where we could get chicken or fish at this hour. Ew.
I hate Roblox now. They replaced the sound effect.
I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm done with this.
Chicken.
Good night, Boris.
Chicken.
Night, Bundy.
Chicken.
That's how I sleep.
Chicken.
I'm gonna go to sleep now.